2020 new folding ultra-lightweight electric power wheelchair, Silla de Ruedas Electrica, Airline approved and air travel allowed heavy-duty, mobility motorized, portable power, 17.5. Airline approved. Our new electric wheelchair is Airline approved, so you will have all necessary and most safety features as a default. This wheelchair is airplane travel friendly and cruise trip ready. Easy to handle, new Comfy Go is fold and go. It only folds up in 3 seconds and fits in most trunks easily. Very convenient for storage and travel. In addition, seat and backrest cushion can be easily removed for cleaning. Durable and stylish, new technology aircraft alloy grade carbon steel construction makes this wheelchair ultra lightweight as low as 49 pounds, with battery 55 pounds, and more durable can hold up to 330 pounds. Also does not need any maintenance. Multi-use, new Comfy Go is preferred by everyone. It is very convenient as a mobility scooter, with powerful motors and high-volume battery. New Comfy Go gives you freedom. With the new anti-leaning rear design, it is perfectly stable and safe. Warranty. As a US, California-based company, we are giving gold standard 24/7 customer support for all of our customers. We have no questions asked return and money-back guarantee for 30 days and a wonderful spare parts and repair warranty.